In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Slides for beginners. Google Slides is a free browser-based presentation tool that works a lot like PowerPoint, but everything saves automatically to your Google Drive so you never lose your work. First, open Google Slides and sign in with your Google account. From the Slides homepage, you can start a new presentation by choosing Blank Presentation or picking a template if you want a head start on design. Templates are great for quickly getting a polished look with matching fonts and layouts. When the editor opens, take a moment to learn the main screen. On the left, the Slides panel shows all your slide thumbnails. In the center is the main canvas where you edit the current slide. Along the top is the toolbar with options for text, images, shapes, colors, and more. At the bottom, you'll see speaker notes, which are private notes that only you can see while presenting. Hover over toolbar icons to see what they do, and remember, undo and redo are your best friends while learning. To add new slides, click the plus button at the top or use Ctrl+M on Windows and CMD+M on Mac. You can drag slides up or down in the left panel to reorder them, keeping your story flow clear and logical. To add text, click inside a text box and start typing. Use the toolbar to change fonts, adjust size, make text bold or italic, and change colors. A helpful tip is to keep text short and use concise bullet points instead of long paragraphs to make your message easier to follow. To add visuals, go to Insert and choose Image to upload from your computer, pull from Google Drive, or search the web. For video, select Insert, then Video, and paste a YouTube link. Resize and position media using the handles and align them with the on-screen guides for a clean layout. To change the overall design, open the Themes panel on the right and pick a style. Themes automatically adjust colors, fonts, and default layouts for a cohesive look across every slide. If you want motion, select an object, go to Insert, then Animation, and choose an effect like Fade In, Fly In, or Zoom In. You can also apply slide transitions for smoother movement between slides. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share in the top right, enter email addresses, and set permissions to viewer, commenter, or editor. Everyone can work in real time and leave comments. To present, click Slideshow in the top right and use the arrow keys to navigate. Presenter View lets you see speaker notes and use tools like the laser pointer. Finally, to download or export, go to File, then Download, and choose PowerPoint, PDF, or PNG images. You can import and export PowerPoint files seamlessly.